Hello everyone, and thank you for your support. In this video, we will discuss some important basics of SolidWorks that help beginners model parts correctly and efficiently. Topics covered in this video. How to select a plane in SolidWorks. Which plane you should select first when creating a part. How to create a model step by step. First, SolidWorks is a 3D part modeling software used to design mechanical components. When creating any part in SolidWorks, the first and most important step is selecting a plane. A plane acts as the starting surface where you create your first sketch. So, how many planes are available in SolidWorks? There are 3 main default planes: the front plane, top plane, and right plane. In addition to these, there are other viewing directions such as bottom, left, and back, which help you visualize the model from different perspectives. After selecting the correct plane, take the drawing or reference of the part you want to create. Carefully study the drawing so you can understand the shape and dimensions. This helps you create the part more quickly and accurately. Once everything is prepared, you can start building the model step by step. Make sure to watch the video carefully so you do not miss any valuable information that will help you improve your SolidWorks modeling skills.